Welcome everybody. Again, this here happens to be my Christmas tree for this year, for 2015. For my cousins around the world, we here in America have various different styles of Christmas trees. Mine happens to be a memory tree. All the ornaments on my tree have been made or have a special memory. Here we have a snowflake that was made by my mother and given to me. These snowdrop or teardrop ornaments are reminiscent of the ones that I've had on my Christmas tree when I was a child at home. Here's one that my mother actually gave to me, which is from our old Christmas tree, our old ornaments. The white one here is the one that my mother gave to me. This happens to be Mark's teddy bear when he was a boy. This also happens to be an ornament my mother gave me. This one here happens to be an ornament my brother gave me. This one my sister gave to me, Artie, because it reminded her of the ones we used to have when we were kids. The angel here we got in Provincetown on our travels. Every year we collected a different ornament from a different place. The airplane here was given to me by my nephews one year when my sister Artie first got married, so it's from Patrick and Eric. The egg here was made for me by my mother. The peacock here was given to me by a friend and his partner, Mike and Steve. Steve has passed since due to colon cancer. This is an ornament made for me by my mother. On our many trips to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, we would stop by the Christmas shop. This one here is an ornament that we purchased there. The one here, when we were small, every child had a small Christmas tree in their bedroom that they decorated. This is an ornament I purchased when I was a boy for my dachshund that I had growing up, Pansy, and I still hang it on this tree here, even though it's rather worn. One year we got Noah's Ark down at the Outer Banks. This ornament here was given to me by my sister Denise. This is one of our trips to Provincetown. Recently we've taken a lot of cruises. The ship back there, right here, is the New Amsterdam from Holland America Lines. We have taken her twice, once to Barcelona and once to the Caribbean. The Titanic was given to me by my sister Denise. We had gone to Amsterdam 1 year, or 2 years, and here is a ornament from Amsterdam. My sister Cindy made this one for me, actually from a kit that was found here in my grandmother's house after she passed. So this is like reminiscence of both my grandmother and my sister Cindy. And this one right beside us, right beside it, the broom was made for me by a friend, Linda Oakes. This duck right here, although this one here I purchased it because my father had a duck decoy, and this reminds me of my father, so I purchased this one. One year we went on I was on a business trip to San Francisco, and this trolley car here is from San Francisco. And where is the other one I'm looking for? Oh, lo and behold, the pickle in disguise. Don't tell anybody the pickle's here. And where's the other one I'm looking for? Oh, look. There's the other pickle. The regular pickle. Whoever actually sees this, finds it, gets a special treat. Do not tell anybody where it is. On the same trip to San Francisco, we went up to the Napa Valley and then the Redwood Forest. And right here, we see back into there this snowflake made of redwood from the Redwood Forest. Trip to Ireland, we got the Waterford. Our angel up on the tree. We got one year down in the Outer Banks. I have corgis, so this is from the Arts on the Avenue down here that they hold every year in October. Some of these ornaments are actually from Mark's family's tree, the church here. And these large Christmas balls. What I'm not seeing on here right now is the stone shamrock we got from our trip to Ireland in 2000. Hopefully it's not on the back side of the tree. Down below, my Christmas train village. So you have the trailer, the small house, the village, its train station, three houses, behind it are three trains, or two trains. You have the country train station, the city train station, the barn, and of course,
All aboard! This is the Polar Express!
and you can see the smoke. The puppet car. Trolley man. And the little boy. All alone in the trail. And this is my Christmas tree and train village for 2015.